Hi, Julian here from the Platform Lead team. In this video, I'm going to talk about segments and tags when sending a broadcast. It is indeed important to understand that when sending a broadcast, you can only select segments and tags that are associated with the project you selected at the top left. We put this restriction in place for various reasons: to use the right sending profile and mailer for your broadcasts, so the email is sent from an email address associated with the project in question and not an unrelated email address, and to send the email to the people who opted into that specific segment only, which is important for GDPR compliance. Some of your contacts might have agreed to receive billing related emails, but not marketing emails, for example. This also helps avoid unsubscription issues and get accurate personal statistics. Same restrictions and benefits for SMS broadcasts, of course. However, you can exclude recipients that are in segments or have tags of other projects. That way, you can exclude segments or tags you already sent the email to. This is also useful to avoid promoting a product to people who already own this product. If you sell a software product, for example, you could exclude the active member segment. Imagine I just sent a broadcast email to a specific segment in a given project and would like to send the exact same email to a different segment in another project. I will first need to copy the email to the other project. So copy to and not clone, which would copy it in the same project. Copy to, copy email is already selected. I select a project and click on submit. Done. I've been automatically redirected to the other project. This is a copy of the email. I can edit it, of course, and can now send it as a broadcast to a specific segment in this other project. As you can see here, I only have access to the segments and tag associated with this project, but I can exclude recipients in segments or with tag in any project, as explained before. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Get Support.